Hello guys, this is Armin with Castle Auto Sales. Making a video of 2011 Chevy Silverado 1500. As you see, it does have aftermarket lights, which is pretty awesome. Let's take a look at exterior first. Sorry, it is in a tight spot, so I'm doing my best. Aftermarket wheels, really nice. No signs of rust, which is pretty good. LT with the backup sensor and tow package, flex fuel, backup camera as well. Let's check the other side. So the other side looks like this. It is also Z71. I don't know if that is visible. Yep, it is, luckily. Let's unlock and see what's hiding inside. Really clean door. Clean interior. Powered seats, only back and forth, but not this part. I don't know what they call it exactly. Automatic lights, that should go inside. Alright, let's see. Aftermarket Kenwood stereo system, which also compatible with the Spotify and Pandora. Oh jeez, slow your roll. Yep. Oh, it needs fuel too. Nah, we'll be quick. So USB here. Passenger seat, and this one also folds. Alright, let's and underneath of these seats there's a double subwoofer. Yep, pretty quiet engine. Works like a charm. All right, thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question, leave a comment or contact me directly. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Thanks again. Have a great day. Bye-bye.